focusing on the problems of the Nigerian criminal justice system. What is the criminal justice system? It refers to the laws, the institutions, the principles, and the procedures at play before, during, and after the commission of a crime. That is, when a crime is committed, for instance, murder, the suspected individual has to go through the criminal justice system to ensure justice for the state, the victim, and the suspected individual. The Nigerian criminal justice system has grown over the years, but not without certain challenges and problems faced within the components of the criminal justice system. These components include the police, the courts, and the correctional service, which is the prison. Follow us as we highlight some of the problems of the Nigerian criminal justice system.
Problems of the Nigerian criminal justice system is lack of public cooperation. Public cooperation is essential for an effective criminal justice system, and this is because criminals live with people in the society. And unless informants comes up with valuable information concerning the identity of these criminals, it is almost impossible for the police to gather information about these criminals and identify suspects. However, in Nigeria, there are various reasons why the public is often reluctant to cooperate with the law enforcement agencies. And one of the reasons is lack of trust. Most Nigerians do not trust the police due to inefficiency, corruption, and brutality. Also, many people believe that the justice is slow and biased, leading them to lose their faith in its ability to deliver justice. So, the authorities have a duty to educate the public on the importance of their cooperation with the law enforcement agency, and also the consequences for their non-compliance.
Of the criminal justice system is holding charge. Holding charge is a frame-up charge. It is improper and unconstitutional, and it is generally used by the police in holding an accused person in custody while they conduct investigation and gather evidence to bring an accused person before a court for trial. It has constituted a major congestion in Nigerian prison and a major clog in the administration of criminal justice.
Delay in the dispensation of justice. The problem of delay of dispensation of justice has rendered the speedy administration of criminal justice a myth rather than a reality. The administration of criminal justice runs through some process: the pre-trial, the trial, and the post-trial of criminal justice.
One of the major issues in the criminal justice system, which has caused great harm in government, economy, and society. And there are different forms and types of corruption. We have embezzlement of funds, we have political corruption, we have nepotism and extortion.
Double standard. It means treating people differently for the same offense. In Nigeria, the rich and the poor do not face the same punishment. That is, if a rich man should steal, they might let go, and if a poor man should steal, it might, he or she might be jailed forever. And it is based on the courts and the police, based on who they know, which is unfair to the criminal justice system and make people to lose interest in it.
Just highlighted some of the problems of the Nigerian criminal justice system. However, there is still room for growth to ensure justice and fairness, and this can be achieved by going through necessary reformations within the criminal justice system and its components. Thank you.